Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck in an Island where we stuck with you and we are always smiling. Welcome to New York. So we're going to a concert, but of course we're going to pick up my cousin before you guys saw him live last night. He was lit. Anyway, I'll catch you guys when we pick him up.
Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. Yeah. How many people that died alive?
Steven, what's up?
What's up?
What's crack-a-lackin', man?
I vlog.
Because it's kind of quiet on my phone. I haven't had a rush of text messages. I've been dodging pretty good, you know, just enough to be present.
Yeah, alright, so as you guys can see, we got Malachi just now, but it's raining cats and dogs, like literally. And so we I was gonna do it, but like I thought it was gonna be corny, but thanks. Yeah, so we have to like get to the Madison Square Garden because that's where the concert's gonna be. Who's playing again?
Anderson Paak. Whoop, whoop.
Yeah, so they're gonna be playing, and I don't know who that is, but I'm gonna enjoy myself nonetheless. Yeah, but yeah, it's nice weather, I guess. It's raining in Jamaica, I believe, as well. So really and truly, yeah, it's the rainy season in Jamaica.
I just peeped. Jamaica and America are not that far from each other.
No, they're not.
They're
Because I
not.
looked on the Google map, I was like, oh.
Anyway, guys, I'll catch you guys whenever we get to the parking lot.
Password is password. Your favorite thing to watch on TV is the guide. You like basic chicken sandwiches.
You're spending more time on the job site than away from it. Lowe's does it correct by stocking job lot parts. Treat it
I want like a red one. Yep. Let's get it popping, baby.
Always got to be different.
Yep. You should have worn your Yeezys.
Nah, but these are my beater shoes.
Self-checkout's available if you want to come around.
Yes, no.
Do you need a bag? Do you need a bag?
Nah, stay the plant, man. Alright, you too. Alright, so we parked just now, and all of us, it's me, my aunt, my cousin, and Jason. Jason's back there. We are headed over to the Madison Square Garden at the moment, and it's raining. Like, trust me, it's crazy, but yeah, it's crazy out. But luckily it's not so cold today. Today it's definitely not so cold, but it's wet. Alright, I'll catch you guys soon. Alright, that was a strangest now, like we stopped under this place here. I guess because the rain has gotten like really bad, so yeah, we're hunkered up here for a second until it calms down. Let's do it. To be quite honest, a Starbucks coffee would be really good right now. Yeah, warm my body up. Alright, we finally made it into the Madison Square Garden. We just went through the security check, and luckily cameras are allowed, so I ain't got no problem with that. Yeah, I'm a little bit excited. I don't know what to expect. I don't know none of the songs, but I'm gonna be lip syncing.
Enjoy.
Thank you. I gotta practice on my lip sync. But anyway, we got 2 floors up. Yeah.
General admission facts.
General admission. He's general admission. I'm VIP. All right, so we are in here. Yeah. It's awesome, man. Dope.
160 pen here.
You think it's gonna be crazy?
Oh yeah, it's gonna go crazy.
Sold out?
Loud for sure.
Yeah.
I wish I was down here when Gambino performed, because I was here for when Childish Gambino came.
Yeah.
I was like all the way up there.
Nosebleeds.
Yeah, nosebleeds.
Yeah.
But like, if I was down here,
Yeah.
I would have went to school next day. It sounded like I was like slobbing on someone's knob. You know what I'm saying? Like I would have, you know what I'm saying? Like it would have been critical. You know what I'm saying? I still might lose my voice tonight, and then tomorrow I got another concert to go to, so that's already like.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Crazy.
Plus, it's like one of my favorite artists ever performing tomorrow.
Who's that?
Tyler, the Creator.
Say no more.
Yeah, flash flood warning. Nobody gives a shit. Yeah. Yo, this is about to be lit in a motherfucker. You guys ready for the night? Hell yeah.
Don't think he said he pro-violence, but it's gonna be your problem if he did, though. I looked out the way, college with a grip stain, silent with a big cane. And this shit bang like 2 balance, 2 calories for your bitch taste. Remember when they had my grandbaby on the drip?
We gon' be alright.
I think it's a little bit more quiet outside here. Let me tell you, like, that concert was bomb. And it's coming from someone who was not, I've never heard this guy's music before. I don't know him at all, but like listening to him, like he got crazy.
One of the best concerts I've ever been to.
For me, it's the best one. He got crazy swag, and I like how he switches from like that whole soul type of vibe and then goes into that like rap type of thing. Yo, dude, he was freaking awesome. I'm definitely an Anderson .Paak fan. AP, yo, big up yourself. If you watch this vlog, remember to subscribe, bro. I'm joking. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you for coming along this whole journey, this whole day, doing all of this through the rain and all that. Remember to subscribe and to like this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Remember 2 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.